What's going on, Corsas? Crimson Alazarin here, and welcome back to Mario Kart Wii. And also, Happy New Year! When this video comes out, it won't be New Year's anymore, but it's close enough to the New Year. I think it works. So I already recorded this video before, but audio problems, and I did the lightning cup before. Now, I was supposed to do, I think the star cup was the one I was supposed to do, but obviously I don't have that unlocked yet. So I did the lightning cup instead, and I have Rosalina as an unlockable, so we'll be playing as her, and we'll just be yeah, we'll go standard like out. So yeah, we're gonna be doing the lightning cup. I didn't do great on the lightning cup before, so hopefully that changes. So if you guys do enjoy the video and want to see more and want to show your support, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you're at it, turn on that notification bell, because doing all of that lets people know that I exist. So without further ado, let's get into the lightning cup. So like I said before, I already did the lightning cup and I got absolutely bullied. Just absolutely decimated here. And I don't know why. I just had insanely bad luck on this cup. I got hit by stray bullet bills. I got hit by bullet bills 4 times, and I got hit by lightning twice. So that was fun. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't drift around this corner. Around here is fun. These turns I drift around. I gotta learn that not every corner I have to drift around. I need a bullet bill. Oh my god. This is going just awful. Oh yeah, so how were your guys' holidays? I know that not everyone celebrates Christmas. So whatever you celebrate or not celebrate, how were your holidays? Mine were pretty good. I got a Switch 2 for Christmas. So, oh my god. So, that's pretty cool. Oh my god, brother. No, I want to restart. I just want to restart because that was awful. Okay, let's try this again. Hopefully this goes better. But yeah. I got a Switch 2 for Christmas that came with Mario Kart World downloaded on it, which is pretty cool. Free game that came with the system, pretty cool. I also got Kirby Air Riders. I also got Kirby Air Riders as well. And I got volume 2 and 3 of Corey Kenshin's manga, Monsters We Make. You should go read it. It's very good. It's a very good manga. Oh, come on. So, yeah, pretty good. Oh. Actually, next year, I guess this year, when this video comes out, I'm doing oh, wait, hold up. Let me lock in. Alright, 4. That works. That's a lot better than what I came in the first time I recorded this. I came in 8th. With King Boo, too. But yeah, my family is doing a Secret Santa thing for Christmas next week, so I have to get my mom for the Secret Santa. So I got see, that's what happened before. That's exactly what happened before. I just get hit by stray bullet bills. I swear I'm gonna sit. But also, a cool quirk that came with New Game Switch 2 is that now I can play Sonic Racing Crossworlds online. I can now do that. I couldn't do that before for some reason on the Switch 1, but I can do that on the Switch 2. If you know why I couldn't do it on the Switch 1, please let me know. Also, while you're down there, can you also let me know why this game absolutely hates me? I'd like to know that too, because I don't know. I don't know why it hates me. It just does. It just does, man. But yeah, I can play Sonic Racing Crossworlds online now. And I've just been grinding Crossworlds online. Yoshi. And I've been having a blast. Would you guys want to see me play Crossworlds on the channel? I'd be down to. I'd be down to play Crossworlds on the channel. Just let me know down below if you want to see me do that. And if you do you want to see the Grand Prix, or do you want online? Or a mixture of the two? Honestly, now I think about it, I could stream Crossworlds online. Oh hey, I got first. Sick. But yeah, I could stream Crossworlds online. It'd probably be easier to do since it would be I'd use my capture card to capture the game, so I could do that. So just let me know. Okay, I don't mind. Oh, what just happened? Literally, what just happened? I went from first to 12 so fast. It makes 0 sense. Literally 0 sense. This game, this was a test of patience. You know something? No! You know something I've thought about doing? I've thought about 100%ing Double Dash. I don't know why Double Dash specifically, but I just thought it would be fun. Because I don't think I I've ever 100% a game in my entire life. Respect to people who can. Because it's definitely a test of your patience. Because it takes a long time to 100% like any game. I've seen people 100% oh, they actually help. 100% the Super Mario games and the new Super Mario Bros. Games. I wish I had that level of patience. I just don't think I have it in me to do that, but I'll try it with Double Dash. What was that? How did my own red shell hit me? That was so... What? Man, that was actual noise. Actual BS. That made 0 sense. I was like, what? That's so stupid.
Not bad.
At least I came in third. That's so dumb, though. So dumb. Alright. I at least have to get top 3 to stay in the top 3 position. At the very least. Alright. I think I got absolutely robbed on this track. When I was recording this the first time. Mario move. Okay. Alright, I see how it is. I see how it is. Nah, that's cool. Nah, that's great. Nah, that's amazing. That's fine. That's so fair, right, guys? That's just so incredibly fair. Mario Kart is such a fair game. It's such a fair and fun game. Am I right, guys? It's such a fair and fun game for the whole family. For the whole family. Oh my god, man. For the whole fucking family. This game's gonna give me an aneurysm, I swear. Don't do it, don't do it. Just say you don't, just say you hate me, game. Just, no, actually no, you're already doing that. You're already doing that. I just wanna know, why? Why do you hate me so? I just want to play the game. Is that so hard to ask? I'm playing this game because I want to do just that. Play the game. You're not letting me do so. We cannot have a leak. I completely missed that turn. We can't have a Leaf Cup 2. We just can't. I don't think I got another Leaf Cup 2 in me. I'm sorry, guys. I don't think I have another. I was almost that. I don't think I got another Leaf Cup 2 in me. I don't think I will. I just don't. But I think I don't have a choice in the matter. I think it is a Leaf Cup 2 regardless. So if I won it or not. It's 100% a Leaf Cup 2. It's 100% a Leaf Cup 2. I'm gonna be sick. I cannot stand. Oh my god, and we're not even at the Star Cup yet. We're not even at the Star Cup yet. The Star Cup is gonna be awful. I know it is. Ew, at 3 points off from 3 points off from third is crazy. Well, hopefully I'll be able to do it next time. I do want to give you guys just a little bit of a message, you know. 2025 has been a pretty good year for me. Not really all that stressful, well, either. And I want to, for 2026, you guys have given me so much support over this year. A lot more support than I was expecting, honestly. And I truly do thank you for that. It means the world to me that you guys even give me a chance to entertain you guys. Even if you just watch my shorts, or you watch my videos, or even if you clicked on either and decide that my content wasn't for you, that's fine. You gave me a chance and I appreciate it. So, as thanks, or as like to show my gratitude for you guys, I'm gonna try and put a lot more effort into my content because I feel I haven't been putting my all into this YouTube thing. I've been putting a lot of work into this, but don't get me wrong, but I don't feel like I've been putting as much as I can, as much as I should into this. So in 2026, um um more smoother flowing content, for lack of a better. Expect content that's gonna flow a lot better. Um, expect maybe some thumbnail changes. Maybe, I don't know. I'll probably put thumbnails on the VODs. I'll start doing that again because I haven't done that in a while. So I'll probably start doing that again. The one the one Pokemon Explorers of Sky VOD that I had thumbnail for actually really good when I did that for the first time, so I should probably keep doing that because you guys like it. So, and also with streaming, well, we'll see what I can do about that. Maybe I'll stream some games that aren't like on my phone, maybe like consoles. We'll see. Um, but yeah, I just wanted to say thank you again for all of your support. It means a lot to me, and I hope I can keep entertaining you all. Um, oh yeah, one more thing. I uh, never mind. Um, actually, yeah, I should do that. If you want to see if you want to see me live, I stream on Twitch at twitch.tv/crimson underscore Alizari. Um, I stream at 7 p.m. CST, the same time, the same days that videos go up, both during Nostalgia Week and during the regular weeks. Um, so yeah, um, thank you all so much for watching. Oh, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Um, next time we'll try and beat the Lightning Cup. Um, I'm gonna go try and do the Star Cup. Or try and unlock the Star Cup. And maybe some other cups too. Anyway, this video's getting too long. With all that said and done, you guys know the drill. Stay fresh, stay awesome, and most importantly, stay you. Bye-bye now.